Hey everybody, Dylan here. Hope everybody's having a good week. Time for week 3 discussion. Amy Tan's Where Does Creativity Hide? Well, I'm not gonna lie, this was a tough one for me to get into here. I had to watch this one multiple times and really think about some of those questions that were posed to us. I just couldn't. I couldn't quite connect like I could with the first two TED talks that we had. I think partially was because of how it was presented, but mostly because of the topic that was presented with creativity. I just think for me, like in the workplace, all of my writing is pretty much I talk to people, I get facts, accounts, and I document those things. And I make sure that there's flow and structure, and that's about it. There's not a whole lot of creativity and fluff. So when she talks about and breaks down, her the nature and nurture and nightmares, and kind of talks, about each one of those and kind of gives some examples of, some of the ones that stuck out to me were like when she travels to Burma and writes about things there. And she writes about the story about the grandmother overdosing it and how her mother said that that came from her mother, the inspiration there. And then kind of the last one was the random act where she's writing a story, and then the random act that she had pulled the book down and opened the first page, and voila, there's the exact time and setting and everything she needs for inspiration and validation for her story. And as much as I guess I kind of liked how she broke those down, I've never thought of it that way. Where I just think we just get inspiration for writing or for anything kind of from everywhere and anywhere. We get inspiration from the things around us, objects, from past things in our life, from stories we've heard, from places we've been, and I've just never really thought of them and breaking them down in the way she does. And I think back to the writing assignment that we had last week. I wrote about kind of a specific object that I had received years back, and I can remember the place and the setting I got it in, and the meaningful kind of story behind it. But I've never, really thought like how does that fit in to what she's talking about with nature and nurture and nightmares. I've just kind of mushed all those together, I guess, and maybe that's just me being very simplistic, but I think that's what kind of made it tough for me to connect with this and really kind of follow it and really get into it. So um, that's all I got for this week. I really look forward to seeing your guys' videos and some different takes on it. I know that the creativity piece, kind of getting back into the academia style writing, is going to be there. It's going to be different than kind of my normal work writing. So I look forward to that, and I look forward to seeing all your guys' videos and comments. Have a good one, guys.